It's Roseanne Perla with Studio Graphe 315. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, paper crafter. I'm just coming on to remind you about my live tonight at 7 o'clock on YouTube. I will have the link on this little video clip. I do have a virtual craft along, Cards and Cocoa Kit Together, November 23rd. 7:30 to 8:30. Order your kit. You still have time. I will have some kits available, and I will put a link up for local pickup. Event dates: November 15th was the cards and cookies, and that was really great. Kit Together virtually. Again, purchase your kit. November 30th, gingerbread card class. This is my monthly November class. I might move that out to December, and that will be a virtual class as well. And get on my email list for all of those links as well. Tonight, I am going to be doing the Jolly Delivery and the dies, the Jolly Delivery die set, which goes with it. At first, I was like, this set is too busy for me, and I just love it. I love the cards that it makes and the scrapbook pages, so I did purchase it. The North Pole Delivery 12 by 12 is what I purchased. I purchased the paper, and I purchased the bundle, the dies. And I'll tell you, this die, you're going to see it tonight, what you can do with it, and you can do with it, you know, going forward, not just for Christmas. Absolutely not. It can be for fall right now. It can be a party favor and a little gift pouch. So I will show you that in detail. And this paper is amazing. And as I said, I partnered these, found these coordinating colors that go with it. Pool Party, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Real Red, Lemon Yellow, Garden Green. And these are the two-sided papers. Okay, we have the mailboxes, I'm sorry, and the houses. What a great scene this would make. Scrapbook page, cards as well. There are 2 sheets of die cuts. I have not cut them out yet. I wanted to show you how they come and how easy they are to punch out. You don't need anything to punch them out. They are so easy to punch out. Great, again, for scrapbooking and card making. The animals are so adorable. There's a squirrel, there's a dog, there's a couple dogs, 3 dogs. The eagle here, or the owl from Harry Potter. I've seen cards. The cat, the bear, and all of the postage and packages and letters. And then this is the coordinating side to this. Here you have this coordinates, sorry. So if you don't want the dogs, maybe you just want the sleigh, the die cuts coordinate with this as well. And then you have postage stamps, such a great background piece of paper. Oh, the trucks are so adorable. This great whimsical, again, this and the and this one I love for background pieces, coordinating pieces. And I think this is the same one. So there we have it. So those are the papers. This is the stamp set and the coordinating dies that I'm going to use. I will have up a supply list, and I will have in the next coming days a kit card to go that you can buy and make 5 or 6 cards or 4 cards with a card kit on my website. You can purchase any of these materials on my Stampin' Up! Website. Hope to see you tonight.